Alright, so got a couple packages today. There was supposed to be a third one, but it didn't arrive. So we've got ourselves another unboxing video. And this time it's on the theme of antique glasses. So the glasses that I wanted, couldn't quite get. For some reason, both pairs sold for about double the value according to sold listings on eBay, because if you don't know, you can look up sold listings on eBay. Hello, kitty. To see what the approximate value of something would be. Now, it has to be basically the same item in the same condition. It can't be a different color, it can't be a different age. Obviously, it can't be in worse condition or better condition. And obviously, there's going to be outliers. Sometimes somebody will spend way more on an item than it's worth because they really want that particular item. Might be that they're trying to replace one like it immediately, or they haven't looked up the value, or it has some sentimental purpose to it. For example, yesterday I sold a bottle with the name of Henson on it to a guy with the last name of Henson. And that bottle had been for sale for a couple years. Now, I don't know why, it's because it's British and I'm American, so people in America don't want British bottles as often. But today we're going to start with these antique glasses cases. Some of these are newer than others. Really depends on which ones, because I was particularly looking at this one, which sadly has lost all of its felt. It should have been covered in felt. However, it appears to say Bright or Dwight. Nope, maybe that's signed. And then LETD maybe, and then 550. You guys tell me. But this glasses case would be correct for the mid-1800s, so I'm trying to get into, at least it has the interior felt, I'm trying to get into Civil War reenactments. So, no, these suspenders are not correct. No, this bow tie is not correct. I'm actually going to get a Kentucky string tie, because I'll be playing the role of a pastor, a traveling preacher, with my friend, who will be playing the role of a undertaker. So I have a few things to change. I do have button-on suspenders. But this shirt, I put bone buttons on it. This is the one I got the other day that the seller was not quite honest. I mean, there were 6 stains on it that were not shown or mentioned. It was missing 2 buttons that were purposely obscured so you couldn't see they were missing. But I cleaned the shirt very well, I'd say. I only see 1 tiny stain now. And I sewed on antique buttons, bone buttons. Here's another one that would be period correct. Now this one's not from the period, but style-wise, it's period correct. Gotta get it out carefully, because this is that weird bonded leather stuff. Paul Meyerowitz. My kind of guy. I also have a difficult to pronounce last name. And difficult to spell. In fact, a couple people I know can't even pronounce it, let alone spell it. And then 2 more glasses cases. So I can not only have my next box, period correct glasses, however, I'll also be able to put these antique glasses into one of these cases. Probably this one, as I kind of like the reddish color. And these glasses are from probably the 30s. So they're not Civil War correct. I need glasses. Yes, I'm purposely doing this to be funny. I don't know if we're going to work on this one. I figure bigger's better, right? Alright, kitty, you gotta go. I'm kidding, she's fine. Never hurt the kitty. There we go. I guess the little scythe just isn't the right tool for opening boxes. But these ones should be pretty exciting. These are the ones that I'm thinking they are. They were supposed to be free packages, so I had to order 2 pairs of period correct glasses because the one pair that I want, the octagonal frames, is damaged. So I was hoping to take these much cheaper period correct square, rounded square rectangle ones and make a complete set out of both. Because I really want that octagonal look. I think that'll complement my Germanic features better. Yeah, this is the rounded square set. Now, interestingly, these actually came out of Wyoming, which makes me kind of dream that they're cowboy glasses. Now, they're quite tiny. I'm going to have to also do some repairs to it if I do anything at this vet, because obviously these are like 3 inches, but this nose bridge is obviously squished, so I was hoping to kind of straighten it, because I noticed that some of them were almost straight, some of them have this huge dip. Stuff would stop blowing away. Now I'll just set it on top there. Now these ones are missing the slide temple arms. That's what this little loop is for. More arms are supposed to come out of there. Definitely been bent out, so somebody tried using these when they were way too... I also much blinder than or less blind than I was. But yeah, these would never work as they currently are. These are just parts ones that I'm going to use for the other parts ones that I'm getting. However, these would be period correct for the Civil War era. It's amazingly fragile at this point. But I'm hoping that I can get those screws or pins out to put into the other ones, because it's missing them. The other glasses that came in this set, this case, it's from Portland or Seattle. Now, I used to live out by there. I do like the griffin on it. That matches my Louis the 14th faux marquetry table in my room. Now these ones are also going to be parts of repair. Now these are both earlier glasses on account of the fact that it doesn't have these little nose beams. They never did. Yeah, I can see a little bit better out of these ones. But it's missing the arm. The arm has been snapped off. Not a surprise. These ones are actually interesting. These are like wires that have been looped into an arm. I've never seen that before. However, the way it's constructed, I might be able to get that piece out and put in a new one if I can find something like this. I mean, that is just fascinating. They're also kind of squished. Interesting. But yeah, now I can replace these period incorrect glasses that I used in my Edwardian reenactments to the Roaring Twenties with some more period style glasses once I get around to repairing them and having new lenses put in them, because you can go on to like lenscrafter.com and send in your antique glasses and have new lenses put in. So everybody should end up happy. Reenactors, sellers, everybody. You can reuse these old glasses, even if you're basically totally blind without glasses like I am. But have a great day, everybody.